Hey there, welcome to the new video of ThemeHunk. Today, we are exploring something that's going to take your Elementor designs to the next level, Elemento Addons. Elementor Addons enhance the capabilities of the Elementor page builder for WordPress. It provides over 20 Elementor add-ons for your website. Let's see some of the benefits of Elementor Addons. It helps you gain access to a variety of advanced widgets and modules that go beyond Elementor's built-in options. Utilize a wide range of pre-designed templates and blocks to speed up the design process and maintain a professional look. Add-ons come with intuitive interfaces that simplify the design process, making it easier to create complex layouts without coding knowledge. Get more control over design elements with advanced customization options. Push the boundaries of design with innovative widgets and features that allow for greater creativity and experimentation in your website's appearance and functionality. Utilize marketing-focused widgets and features like slider, testimonial, and countdown timers to drive engagement and conversions. Now let's see how to buy the Elementor add-ons. Go to themehunk.com. Navigate to Plugins and click on Pro Plugins. Click on Elementor Addons Pro. Scroll down to Pricing. Choose your plan and complete the further process. Now go to the Members area and log in. Download the Elementor add-ons for Elementor zip file. In the next step, open your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Click on the Upload plugin. Upload the Elementor add-on plugin here. Install and activate it. It has come to Installed Plugins. You can see Elementor add-ons appearing here. Click on it. Here are add-ons. All the add-ons are listed here. WooCommerce add-ons are separated from others. With these buttons, you can enable or disable if you wish. Now let's see how to use them. So create a new page. To edit the page with Elementor, click here. Scroll down to find the Elementor add-ons. Here they are. Here you will find every add-on. To add the add-on to the page, simply drag the add-on and put it in place. You can search here for the particular add-on. Drag the add-on and drop it on the location. It has come. You can edit and stylize the add-on from this left panel. Save the page and preview changes. The add-on has come to the page after publishing. So this is what are the Elementor add-ons and how to add them to the dashboard. Thanks for watching.